Thinking about switching to an electric car? Before you take that plunge, there's one part that truly drives your experience, the battery. And it's more than just capacity or range. Today we'll walk you through the key things to check about an EV battery before making that important purchase. First is battery health and capacity. Ask about the battery's health. This tells you how much charge it can hold compared to when it was new. Over time, batteries naturally lose capacity, so a used EV with a weak battery might mean shorter trips and more frequent charging. Second is warranty coverage. Most manufacturers offer battery warranties that last around 8 years or 100,000 miles. Knowing the exact terms can save you from unexpected costs down the road if the battery starts losing performance sooner than expected. Third is charging history. How the battery was charged makes a difference. Rapid or frequent fast charging can wear down the battery faster. If you're buying a second hand, try to find out about the charging habits of the previous owner. It's a small detail that can impact battery life. Fourth is battery maintenance and repairs. Ask if the battery has ever been serviced or repaired. Batteries aren't just set and forget, especially with older models. Proper maintenance can extend their life, while ignored issues could mean costly repairs soon. Now last is insurance considerations. Finally, remember your insurance. Electric cars are different from traditional vehicles and battery replacement can be expensive. At SMC Insurance, we help you understand what coverage you need to protect your investment and give you peace of mind. Buying an electric vehicle is an exciting step, but knowing these battery facts helps you make a smarter, safer choice. Follow and subscribe for more simple and practical financial insights.